That ring light you saw is called the halo lights, and it's basically OPPO's attempt at making notifications less annoying to you, because those lights can react to things like your notifications, your calls, and even some games. So what it is essentially a notification light that was present in many generations ago smartphones. Except for this time, OPPO decided to make it more elegant and have more uses. But of course, to add a little bit more fun to the phone, the lights can synchronize with the music that you're listening to, and it works with apps like Spotify, YouTube Music, and Amazon Music. It helps that it has a 2.5D display and it comes with an OLED display. And of course, the screen size is 6.67 inches. Also, yes, it does support 120Hz of refresh rate, so whether you are watching a movie or playing games, this screen is a really nice screen. But most importantly is the smart eye protection features that are in this phone. So for example, the phone knows when you are planning to go to sleep, and it basically adds this warm tint on the phone. Because for those of you who tell me that you do not use your phone before you sleep, it's time to stop lying. So aside from that, OPPO told us that the phone is made from a high-strength alloy framework of aerospace-grade materials and a sponge bionic cushions, which helps with drops and impacts. Oh, and it also comes with IP64 water resistance. Now we come to the part where all of y'all are waiting for. We're going to talk about the cameras on this phone. So what you're getting here is a 50-megapixel main camera, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide, and a special 2-megapixel macro camera. Now this camera setup is fantastic for taking pictures of many different styles. In fact, that's exactly what we did. We took pictures with each of these lenses, and here, what you're looking at right now is the 50-megapixel main camera. Now, of course, we cannot forget about portrait shots, so here are some examples as well. And of course, we also included a couple of wide-angle shots. The OPPO Reno12 has a feature called Dual View Video Mode. What it essentially does is basically when you're recording a video, it takes the recording from the front camera and the back camera at the same time. So that means you can spend lesser time editing your vlogs and actually technically just post it up on your socials. Also, if you want to take videos, this phone supports 1080p at 60 FPS, and the stabilization is actually quite impressive. It has all the AI features we have seen in 2024 OPPO phones, things like AI Eraser 2.0 to remove unwanted objects. AI Smart Image Matching 2.0 allows you to turn people or things into stickers and edit a unique picture. And AI Studio, which can generate your picture into a cool or fancy characters. Also, another cool feature about this phone is that it comes with an app called Music Party, which basically allows you to link up multiple OPPO phones to the OPPO Reno12. And all of them can send music to this phone or even share playlists to this phone. And what happens is the lights on the phone will still react to the music that it's receiving. Also, another thing, this phone, when this feature is activated, can go up to 300% of its volume, which is crazy loud. But of course, thank God that it has very decent dual stereo speakers on this phone, and here's how it sounds like. And there you have it. That's all you need to know about the OPPO Reno12. Now, it's a very decent phone, in fact, for its price range, and it has all these cool features that I'm very surprised they did not include it into the flagship OPPO phone, especially the halo light, because I kind of like it. It's a very nice feature. But if you are interested in checking out this phone, we have left some links in the description below. And while you're there, of course, please don't forget to sub, don't forget to like, don't forget to share, and I'll see you in the next video.